Hello everyone, how are you today? Are you sitting comfortably? Yes? Okay, good. Now I'm Susanna and this is Mickey and we welcome you to Moreton Bay Region Library's Baby Rhyme Time. Yay! Now, moms, your babies can't sing yet, so you be the one to sing with me. Yes? Okay. Now, if you have a baby, you can hold your little one like this, like that, or however comfortable for you. And if you have a mat or a rag, you can lay her down or him down on the floor like this, facing towards you so that you have a good rapport, okay? All right. Now remember that children learn most around important people around them, and so the more you talk, the more you sing, read and interact with them, the more they learn about words, language and the world around them. Okay? All right. Now first we're going to do our acknowledgement to country. All right. And here is the land, here is the sky, here are my friends, and here am I. We respect the traditional custodians and country on which we learn and play. Hands up, hands down, and we are on Gubby Gubby and on Dumby people ground. Yay! Okay, right. And okay, so we always have our welcome song as well to begin our session. All right, let's go. And wave your hand like this. And hi, hello, and how are you? How are you? How are you? Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you today? Yeah, how are you today? Good. And a tickle for your toes, a tickle for your nose, a tickle for your tummy where the watermelon goes. Arms go high, arms go low, and a great big hug to say hello. Yes? Okay, that's a good welcome song, yes? All right, now, babies, mums, time to bounce your little one, okay? Hold your little one like this, and I bounce you here, I bounce you there, I bounce you everywhere. I tickle you here, I tickle you there, and I tickle everywhere. I hug you here and hug you there and hug you everywhere. Yes? Okay, well done. That's a good hugging. Okay, now, Humpty Dumpty. Ooh, it's a traditional rhyme and song, but I'll introduce to you a little the version of it. Okay, it goes like this. And Humpty Dumpty to the right, Humpty Dumpty to the left, Humpty Dumpty up in the air, Humpty Dumpty sat on a chair. And time to bounce. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall, Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. Whee! All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Yay! Oh, not a bit yay, but yeah, okay. Give us a big clap. Okay, enjoying so far? Are you getting warm? Okay, let's go even warmer. Let's go riding on the road. Have you heard about the smooth road? Yes? Okay, now put your babies again on your knee and let's go. In a smooth road, a smooth road, a smooth road. a smooth road. Ooh, a bumpy road, a bumpy road, a bumpy road, a bumpy road. Ooh, it's getting rougher. Wait for it. And a rough road, a rough road, a rough road, a rough road. Watch out! A hole! Oh dear. And down in the ditch, or maybe not quite down in the ditch. All right, enjoying that? Okay, give yourself a big clap. Yay! All right, it's getting warmer. Do you want to go to the moon? Yes? Okay, get ready with your babies again. Let's go to the moon. And zoom, zoom, zoom. We're going to the moon. If you want to take a trip, climb aboard the rocket ship. Zoom, zoom, zoom. We're going to the moon. And let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and blast off! Yay! Okay, give us a big clap. Yay! All right, time to settle down. Okay, time to cool down. And let's have a tickle tickle. All right, but not too much tickle. We'll do our round and round the garden. Okay, moms, do it on the palm of your little one. Okay, and feel the connection. Okay, and round the garden like a teddy bear. 1 step, 2 step, and tickle him under there. Okay, other hand. Just last one. Okay, and round the garden like a teddy bear. Ooh. And 1 step, 2 step, and tickle it under there. Yes? Okay. Make sure your little one have the reaction of, laughing and tickling and all that, because that way that's the only way that you'll know that your little one is having fun. And moms, make sure you're having fun too, okay? All right, okay, even further cool down. Last one, okay, the more tickle and more spot. Have you heard about X marks the spot? Yes? Okay, so it goes like this. And X marks the spot with a circle and a dot. Up the ladder, down the ladder. Spot, spot, spot. Feel the breeze. Feel the squeeze. Squeeze. And may I have a cuddle if you please. Oh, okay. And did you give your little one a big clap after that X marks the spot? Yes. Okay. Now that you have cooled down, it's time to sing the goodbye song. Okay, let's go. And a tickle for your toes. Oops. A tickle for your nose. A tickle for your tummy where the watermelon goes. Arms go low. Arms go high. And a great big hug. Ooh, to say goodbye. And goodbye, we'll see you soon. See you soon, see you soon. Goodbye, we'll see you soon. See you another day. Yay!